Welcome back, unicorns, to another video. In today's video, it's a Women Who Collab video. So if you want to see what I do today and hear all the information, stay tuned. So if you're new here, every Thursday, me and some other ladies on YouTube, we do a collab, and it's called #womenwhocollab. And we usually do women who pick on makeup or eyeshadow. But during these holidays months, we love doing holiday themed makeup looks. So for November, we're doing like fall/Thanksgiving makeup looks. So the first theme for the week was Bonfire, and this is what look I created. So I wanted my eyes to be like, brown fall looking, and then this be like the pop of color over here. I did like a little stick with a marshmallow on it, and I did my little flame. Let me know what you think. I think it turned out really cool looking, and I love how little marshmallow is still there. Sometimes when I do white, it sometimes doesn't stay white, so hopefully it stays. And then, yeah, so that's what makeup I did for the bonfire. Please go check out all the ladies that are linked down below. They're add to their channel, and their link to their video will be down below. So you can go check them out and show us some love and see what bonfire inspired makeup they're doing today. If I haven't got everybody in this collab yet, just click the hashtag, which is #womenwhocollab, and you should see recent videos there. I try to link everybody when they post. Sometimes they post a little later than usual, but that's okay. So yeah, now let's talk about what makeup I used today. So the makeup I used today, some of this stuff I'm going to talk about in another video, so I'm not going to quickly go in depth of some of these items, but I'm going to talk about what palette I used. And it's not a new palette in my collection. It's one of my good ones that I really love. It's the Fantasy palette by Mighty Coast Cosmetics. And I always use this palette. It's a really good one. I can never link it because their website's not really working right now, but this is the palette. It looks like this is the dupe for Blend Buddy palette. So if you do have the Blend Buddy palette, you can create this look, or any rainbow palette. It doesn't have to be this specific one, but this is what I used. So for my eye, I did Date Night, which is dark brown in the outer crease, and in my crease I blended out. And I thought it needed to be like a little bit more like orangey brown, so I did put Melt over top of it and then blended it out, and then help blend out the edges of those two shades. I used Bear With Me to blend out the edges. And then also at the bottom of my eye, I used a little bit of the Date Night shade and then blended it out with a brush. And then after that, I used, there's no shimmer in that palette, so I did pull out my Jeffree Star Brain Freeze palette because this shade right here, I could never use on my face because it's too dark, so I did put it on my lid. It's, Cocky, I think that's how you say this name. But this is the dark shade that I could never use on my face. It was a little too dark, as well as this shade right down here at the bottom I could never use. So I always, if I get the opportunity, use it on my eyes. So that's on my lid. And then in my inner corner, under my brow bone, and on my face, I use Gold Breaker. And it's a well-loved palette, so there is like shimmer everywhere. I try to use this a lot because I really love this palette. And I really enjoy using it when I can. So that is everything for the eye look. For over here, I used the same palette. So I did use, so how did the flame? You do yellow first, and then on the outside of it, you do orange, and then on the outer ring, you do red. So I did this yellow shade right here. I think Mistress, I think that's the name of it. I might be wrong. And then Lustful is the orange shade, and then the last shade I used is Fire and Desire because this is the perfect fire shade. So that's what I did. And then I did use the same brown Date Night for the sticks. And I know I extended this one out. I did it too far, but I just kept it that way. And then I did a little stick over here with the shade Stripped. And that's what I did for the little marshmallow. And I was going to tell y'all, the brush I used for the flames is this type brush. This is the Morphe brush for the Sweet Oasis collection. It's a round brush like this, so I just put it over there and then did a round, make a flame. You can also look up inspiration pictures, but that's what I did. And then the last things I want to talk about is the Benefit. No, not the Benefit. Okay, yeah, it's Benefit Fan Fest mascara. That's what I did on my lashes today. I did 2 coats of it. I thought it turned out really beautiful lashes. It made them separate very well. This is my first time using it. It's a new mascara in my collection, and my lashes look pretty, so I really liked it. I will be giving you more information on the video coming soon on a full face of new makeup that I did with this video as well. So y'all stay tuned for that video. It will be coming out soon. And then the lipstick I use is the Give Them La La Beauty and I Love You. It's this like red shade. I really liked it. I am not perfect with this, so there is like a little bit out of line and a little bit fading over here. The reason why, I'll give you a rundown. I don't use liquid lipsticks a lot or lipsticks in general or anything like that is because my lips are not like everybody else's. Like, over here on this side, it's pushed up a little because when I was little, I got bit by a dog. So my lips are not perfectly shaped. So when I do use it, it kind of does look a little bit messed up in some places, but I don't mind it. I need to really get in some liquid, or not liquid. I need to get some lip liner soon for that, to help, make my lips look all even and then fill it in, but I don't have a lip liner that's red. So the last thing I did is to set my face. I used a new one as well. It's the Shades by Shane, the setting spray. I love this brand. I got it from Ipsy, and I have tried their primer, and I was so excited to try their setting spray. So I can't wait to see how it sets after the end of the day. So that's all for the makeup look. Now let's get on with what I'm wearing today. So to go with this fire look, I pulled out my red clips and then my black clips to pin back my hair. I wanted to get out of my face so you could see the flames better. And then my t-shirt is the Hunger Games shirt because it's red and black. So it goes with the theme. But you can wear anything with this look. And let me know if you create a look like this. Let me know your thoughts on it and stuff like that. So, yeah, I think that's it. So if you got this far in the video and you are enjoying it so far, please give it a thumbs up. It does help out a lot. And comment down below a fire emoji to be shouted in the next video uploaded on my channel. If you want to see what's shout out in the previous video uploaded on my channel, check out the channels, check out in the section in this video. And go check them out and show them some love. There will be subscribers as well as YouTubers. If they're a subscriber, go check out their comment in the comment section and tell them that you're thankful for their support for the unicorn family. And if they are a YouTuber, go check out their channel and tell them I see you. They really appreciate it. And this is just a way for me to say thank you for the support and watching my videos in full. It does help out a lot. And since I've been doing this and doing other things on my channel that are differently, my boost and views and support has gone up. So I want to thank y'all so much for doing that. And hopefully soon, since I saw this boost, that I do get monetized soon and hit that 2K mark. If you do want to help out, just watch my playlist and shout me out to your friends and family if you want to help support, help boost the subscriber count. And I really do appreciate it and love all my unicorns and their family. So, yeah. So I forgot to mention that I will link the playlist for YouTube collabs down below if you want to watch past these collabs or any other collabs on my channel. And this Women Who Collab chat, group chat for YouTube collabs, we're doing Thanksgiving or / fall looks all month long. So if you do want to join in, let me know by DM me over there on Instagram, and I'll add you to the Instagram group. And at the beginning of each month, I do send the list out. But if there's no holiday or anything, if we don't want to do makeup for the holiday, we go back to Women Who Pick Our Makeup or eyeshadow. And this is such a fun collab. I really love it. So hopefully we get some new ladies to join in and do Thanksgiving inspired makeup look. Or if you don't want to do Thanksgiving, you can wait for December because we're going to be doing Christmas inspired makeup looks. And I really love this groups of ladies. I'm not usually the host of it, but I am the host of it until the lovely lady comes back. The host of this collab is Mary Makeup Award 2. And she's been going for a while, so I've been helping the group out until she comes back. So, that's why I said message me, because Mary has been away for so long and I don't know if she will get back to you anytime soon. So just message me if you want to join the group chat. And also, when you do get in the group chat, all you have to do is send me your link to your video to the group chat and your picture so I can make a collage for Instagram. And we post anytime on Thursday. It doesn't matter what time it is. It's whatever your schedule is. on your channel. But we had to post on a Thursday, so you know. And make sure that if you do your video early, just send your link to the group chat in your picture. And I think that is it. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you thought of my Bonfire inspired makeup look for today. Let me know your thoughts on it. I think it turned out really cool looking, and I love how the flame turned out. I was a little bit nervous to do a flame because I'm not really good at, sometimes I'm good at drawing, but sometimes it doesn't really turn out right. But I think it turned out really cool looking. But I'd love to know your thoughts. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to our unicorn family. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload. And unicorns, always be yourself. Bye.